Hi everyone, it's Lisa here. I'm back with a haul video for you today. This might actually be the smallest haul video I think I've ever done. I really don't have very many items at all. I've been buying quite a lot of things for my craft room, but it's mostly been storage and kind of essential items, so I haven't got those to share with you. I do plan on doing a tour of my new room at some point, but it's still not finished and we're still trying to kind of work out how it's going to work with the other sort of side of it, which is a living area. So I will share that probably later on in the year, and I have been buying quite a lot for that, but I thought I would just share the few items that I've picked up in the last couple of months. So the first one is the Mama Elephant Slim Card Basics. This is a really good set. I've been wanting to get hold of this for a couple of months, but it was sold out everywhere. And I did manage to get it when it came back in stock, and I really like this option because this is the one from Mama Elephant, and it's got the scallop border, you've got the just normal stitched frame, you've got a cloud option, and that's obviously could be used for snow or for a grass hill, and then you've got these kind of speech bubbles and windows there. So I thought it'd be a really good option, particularly if you make lots of critter cards, because of course they'd look fabulous in those windows as well. So I'm really looking forward to trying that out. I picked up this stencil. This is the MFT, and I think it's called Big Balloons. Yes, I haven't got a balloon stencil, and I'm always looking for ways to try and make masculine cards, and balloons are obviously a really good option for that. And it's been on my list for ages. I just kept forgetting to pick it up. It's been out for a while as well, so I really like the different shape and size of the balloons, and also you get the little kind of reflection mark on it, not reflection, I can't think of the right word, the highlight mark that you can put on the balloons as well. So so that's been on my list forever, and I finally got it. I picked up this frame die. This is a Sunny Studio stamp set. It's my first die I've ever bought from them actually, and I really like this scallop kind of lacy frame. It is called FRILLY Frames Lattice, and you get this kind of lattice part to the die as well. I have used it once already, and you could use this, you can have this sitting on top of an A2 card, and it provides a really lovely lacy border that kind of fits that size, and you can have the lattice behind if you want, or you can use it without. But I actually made a card with the lattice kind of showing in its entirety, not backed by an actual piece of cardstock, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the card that I made with it. This is a set from Clearly Besotted, and I made it for last month's release. But as you can see, I cut the frame and I kind of matted another rectangle on top. But I thought the frame just looks so pretty. I mean, obviously that does create problems if you want to stand the card up, because I mean, you know, you can't obviously put the kind of full-size backing piece on it, or I chose not to. So all I did was I just put a little piece of card on the back, so you could open it like that, but actually you could just write on the back and it would kind of be a flat card. But I've seen it used both ways, like this and with that actually on a piece of A2, and both ways it looks really, really pretty. So I thought I would get that, and they do have lots of others in that range, which I'm trying not to look at. And then I picked up this little set from Concord Knife. This is the Friendly Hello stamp set. It was really inexpensive, and I just thought it was a lovely set. I think it was about £6 or something. It was really nothing, and you can create these lovely little kind of floral groupings just around these sentiments, and I really like the size and the font of those sentiments. So I thought that would go also really well with the balloon set, which I showed a few months ago. This is the balloons turnabout. and I thought both of those sentiments would look really good used in conjunction with this as well. So I haven't used this yet. I have had it about 3 or 4 months now, but I just haven't had time. And then I picked up also this set from Concord Knife. It is called, I think it's called Tall Type. Yeah, Tall Type Alphabet dies. I really like the height and the shape of this. I think these would work really well for male and female cards. This is, again, has been out of stock for a little while over here, as have a lot of things because of the pandemic. But I really like the size of this, and I only have one other alphabet set, and the letters are actually quite small and not actually quite as nice as this. So to be honest, I just wanted something that I thought I would use a bit more. And then finally, I did actually treat myself, and I picked up a set of the Mission Gold watercolors, and this is the set of 36 colors, and I have actually swatched them, and they're still in their boxes in there, but I thought I would show you the container. That's the container that comes actually in the box, and I have created a swatch here for all the different colors. And I have actually started using them, but that was one of my really big purchases during lockdown. I've been wanting to get them for absolutely ages. The price kept going up, I think because of the lockdown, and eventually the price did come back down, so I picked those up as well, and I just created a swatch based on the how the palette is actually laid out. And I think that palette varies depending what country you're in, so that one seemed to fit my my layout really. So I really liked it when I was doing the swatches, but I just haven't really had time to use them yet. But I thought I would share those with you today. So as I said, there have been purchases going on, but they haven't all been things that I can share. And I also picked up, I've got a little container here. These are my Daniel Smith watercolors. I think I've only got about 17. I really love them. I love all watercolors, of course, but I have been creating a little pan for those as well, and my swatch for those. So this was another one of my purchases. I picked up one of these metal tins which have the little half pans that you can use to create your own kind of setup. So that's all I've got so far. I mean, it's enough to work from, definitely, but I'm sure I'm going to be picking up some other colours in due course, and then I'll just create new swatches as I go. But for now, I've got those, and they work really well. They sit, I really like this tin actually. It feels quite robust, and I've got plenty of spare little pans to use. So of course, I can't leave them empty for too long, can I? So that was it. Anyway, I thought I would just share those few things with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back probably in a couple of months with another haul for you if I've been treating myself. But in the meantime, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon.